Hello, good evening, my people. You are welcome to Pure Joy Digital Consult. This evening, we are going to learn how to design a simple logo in the form of AR. So let's just get going. You have to delete this new text here. You delete it, then you go to, you just go to the plus sign, then you select text. I know by now everyone knows how to do that. Then you edit the text. So you put in capital E, right? So you put the capital A, you open the A very big, right? Open the A very big. Then you now tap on this A down here to edit the text A. Go and choose font. Look at the font I'm going to choose. Look at the font I'm going to choose. That's Amaranth Bold. Amaranth Bold. So you choose that one. Then you now open the A again. You see it? Nice one. Then now what you do is that you come back here and look at copy. Tap on copy. Isn't it? So that's copied. You see the A has been copied. So you tap on this one, double tap on it, and to edit it and write R, capital R. Tap on it. Isn't it? So we have now gotten R. So change the shape of the R to black. So you go to the color rather, change the color of the R to black. So you go and look for black color. Isn't it? So now I've changed it to black. So now what I do is that bring my A here, then bring my R to put it on the A. Do you get it? Exactly. Let it be on the A exactly. Look at how I'm putting it on the A. So if you are finding difficult, you can come and use position. So you use this one. You use position. You see it? I'm using position to good. Now it has matched very well. So you see it? Now I've matched the R with the A. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going for shape. Just watch critically, right? It's very simple. So I'm going for shape. So I mark on the correct sign. So this shape, I reduce it now like this, right? Then you hold this part. You see the down left part that has that curve distance. Hold that curve distance, turn it. You see that it will turn. So you're going to turn it and put it on this one. Open it, put it on the R. Can you see it now? See the way I put it, right? You put on it like this. So now, what you now do is that you come and tap on this symbol here. No, by now everyone knows that symbol. Look at it here, this one. You tap on this one. So when you tap on it, then you are going to merge. And to merge, you have to tap on this one. Look at this thing. Tap on that one. So you tap on it. So when you tap on it, you now come and check. We are going to merge the rectangle and the R. So check the rectangle and check the R. I was in two of them. Then you now come and merge. I know by now you know merge. So this is the merge symbol. I was in this symbol. You tap on that one. You see, you tap on it. Say, are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? You tap OK. Yes, so it has been merged. And to clear this in a way, you come back and tap here. Let it go. So now you have merged them. What you now do is that, so now this thing is not a text again. You see that the A is highlighted, but there's nothing there. There are no tools there. So you have to tap. Now this thing has now become a shape. So you come to tap on the middle one, that one like circle. Now it's a shape. So you go and look for erase color. Look at erase color. Enable it. it? So when I enable it, look at it. It's gone. Can you see it? It's gone now. So now that it's gone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for shape again. Shape. Again. I told you, shape again. Then you reduce this shape. Reduce it very small into the R. Anytime you cut part of a shape away, reduce it very small into the R. How isn't it? Into the R. Anytime you cut part of a shape away, you have to put in a small one again. So you change the color of the small one to black to match this one, the same black. You change it to black. So I've changed to black. Then I'll come and tap on top here and then merge it. So we tap on this sign down here. I was in this sign here. Look at it. I'll tap on it. Then I'll come and check the rectangle. Here is it, and then this is that shape, the arrow shape. So I'm going to merge two of them. Tap on this one to merge. Are you sure? Yes, I merge. You see it? Now I've merged them. So now my arrow is now okay. So right. So now that it has happened this way, now what you are going to do is that you are going to tap on the A. I was in it. Tap on the A and then change the color of the A. Also, to the A is now a text. So you tap on A to edit it. So you change the color to also to black. Change the color also to black. See, so now the A2 is black, right? Good. So now what you are going to now do is that now you are going to merge the A and then the arrow you have cut part of it. So you tap on this one, then check the two boxes, then come and tap on merge. Right? So now I've merged them, that become one. Can you see it? So I have to reduce it. I'll now reduce it like this. After you reduce it, then always I said now it has become a shape tool. So you tap on the middle tool. Then you now go and tap on relative position. Then position in the middle. Good. So check on this. So now you go and tap on the plus sign again. Then go to gallery. I'm going to send you some shape. So it will take you to your gallery. Then you go and select. You see gallery. I'm going to select. So you take the gallery, then you select. There's a shape. I'm going to send that shape to you. So you see this shape. This shape. You select it and crop it. When you select the shape, crop it. Make sure you don't cut part of the shape away. Crop it. So you have crop it neatly. Then you tap on the correct sign. So the shape has come inside. So you open the shape. Open the shape. Open it. I was in it. So you see that I've opened the way I've opened the shape to put it on what? The AR. So I'll go to relative position and put the shape in the middle too. So you see the shape now. So now I'll come and tap here and merge the shape. Tap here, merge this the shape, and then the AR I'll merge them. Come and tap on merge. Okay. Can you see it now? Now I've merged them, they have become one. Now they have now become one. Right? So what I will now do is that now, what you're now going to do is that you go and select texture. For a texture. I already sent you many textures, but I'll send another texture again. You select texture. So you go and tap on texture. Then here you select, tap on this one, go and select texture. I've already sent you many textures, and I'm going to send you this texture again so that you use it. So you go and select your texture, right? You select your texture. Where will I see my texture? So I'm going to select my texture that I will use. So if you don't know texture, you will see texture. Maybe you don't know what texture is. So texture, I think I like this one. Let me use this. You see, I like this texture. So I tap the correct sign. Now you see it. You see the texture here. So you enable it. I was saying, when you enable it, and I told you this is scale. I was saying, you scale it to the way you want it, the color shape you want it, any shape it will get to where you want it, you stop it. You scale it. The scale. So let me see, which shape do I like? Okay, I like this one. Right? So check on the correct sign. I like this way. So now, what you now do is that you now go to 3D. Look for 3D. I was in 3D here. Tap on 3D. Enable it. So we enable a 3D. Now, let it be, we have oblique, right? And we have perspective. So let it be your perspective. Then you come to the depth and decrease the depth. Decrease it. Tap on the minus sign. Decrease the depth. Right? I'm decreasing the depth to at least 2. So let the depth be at least 2. So now, I'll now come to darkening. Increase the darkening small. I think 50 will do. Increase the darkening small. So I said the depth, let it be at 2. Then the darkening, increase the darkening small to 50%, right? Then you tap on the correct sign. That is all. You are good to go. I was in it. So this is your shape now. Now you have done with this one, right? You see, it's very nice. Then you now come and tap on this one. I told you that's background. We are now come to work on the background, right? And background, if you don't know background, look at it. This one. I was in it there. So you tap on it. The one with the 2, where is there? So when you tap on it, you go and select from gallery. Select from gallery. Then we are going to work on our background. So I'm going to send this background to the background you're going to use. I'm going to send it to you. So that you can use it. You see, it's very simple. So I'm going to select my background I'm going to use. I'm going to select my background I'm going to use. So I'll tap on where my background is. So I will select my background. So the background, I'll send the background to you. I'll send many of them to you, right? So that you use the one you want. Any background that you want, you can use it. So I'm going to select my background and use it. So now, background. Where will I get my background? Okay. Just look at what I'm going to select. Selecting my background. So sometimes you wonder how you see some design. Very nice. You too can do same. Don't worry. You see, you have just started. So you too can do same. So I'm going to select my background. Background. Just with the phone, you're going to make logos for people. Get money. Spend. So this is the background I'm going to select. This one. That's what I'm going to use now. So you tap on it. Look at it there. You just look at that. Then you see it. My background has appeared there. So as it appeared there, I have to reduce this thing. I was in it. I have to reduce it on this thing on the background. Can you see it? Good. So I reduce it nicely on it. I was in it. That is all. I'm done. So if you want, you can write your name there. You can write your name. You can write name down there. So you see my right Pure Joy Graphics down here. Then you edit it. You go and look for nice font for it. Nice font for it. See it. Pure Joy Graphics. I'm just good to go. So I can push strokes to the name. I can push strokes. Strokes are the lines around. So look at enable strokes. I will enable it. So I'll go for red color, red strokes. Increase to 5. That is all. So you can see Pure Joy Graphics. So you go for relative position. Position in the middle. Nice. So you see it is done. So I told you that after you have done, you come and tap on this save sign on top here. Then first save as project, right? I told you that when you save as project, you can what? You can edit it. When you say edit it, so I'll give you the name AR logo. I was in it AR logo. Then I will save it. See, saving done. Then you now You now save it as image. When you now save it as image, now it will go to your gallery, right? So you now save as image. So every time save as project first. And I said to save as image, the default, change the tap on this one, change the default, always change to ultra, right? Always change to what? Ultra. Then tap on save to gallery. Then it will save to your gallery. See, rendering image is saving to my gallery. So when it saves to the gallery, when you after it's being saved, when you go to the gallery, you will see it there, right? So it's saving now. So it's saving to my gallery. So when it's done, that is all. This is how to design AR. This is how to design the AR logo. Saving image. Very simple. You see it? Image saved. So it has been saved. So now when you go to your gallery, you will see it there. That is all. God bless you.